It looks like I walked into the Goodwill Bins at the right time. They are changing out both of the walls. They're about to finish this one, so let's go dig. That was amazing and absolute craziness. Look at all the stuff I got, so let's do a haul. I always pick up these wooden pepper grinders when I find them. Love using them in my decor, and I also sell a lot of them. Cannot have enough little terracotta pots come springtime. Perfect for little DIYs. This is not real brass, but again, this is something I like to keep in my stash to do DIYs with. Oh, this is for my kids. Look, I thought they would like this little pinball game. Definitely an older one. These are cute. It's crystal, made in Japan, and I got the set. Mini little bottle with a rusty top. Love this. Brown crock, made in Japan, but I did not just get one of them. I got 6 of them. I feel like I need to start collecting buttons for DIYs, so this is the start of my button collection right here. This, okay, I can't decide if I should give it a whole makeover or just fix the parts that are chipped because it's so pretty. It's a bookend. But if y'all like this image right here, then I can save it and just fix the gold. Or we could do a whole makeover. So let me know what y'all think I should do. Cute little yellow chenille bunny. Look at this ribbon. Definitely older. Where it's from Walmart. It's little Christmas bears. And they're skiing and skating. Adorable. I'm still finding a ton of Christmas stuff. I believe this is an older piece. A little small decorative pillow. See the tag? Oh, this is a whole bag of ephemera. I'm probably just gonna do this as a giveaway on one of my whatnot sales. There was a bin of glasses, and I grabbed these 2 older ones, just like in a little, actually, oh, I got some in this brown crock. But you see the point, like you stick these in a crock or something, and they're really cute. These are little napkin rings, but they are also very good for Christmas decor, just to, you know, add that little touch of Christmas. These are cute. I don't find them very much anymore, and you can turn these into Christmas ornaments as well. Y'all, I can't find any markings on this, but this looks like very good quality. It's very heavy. I don't know. I don't normally wear chunky necklaces, but I really like this one. These are candles, I believe. I think there's one that's open. Where's the open one? Is there one that's open? I don't know. But it looks like little ornaments to me. But look, the gold crackle. So I'm thinking in an apothecary jar, these would be really pretty. And can we have a moment for this beautiful brass planter? We're not done yet. Still more stuff in the cart. I think this is missing something, but it doesn't matter. Look at this desk calendar. I'm gonna clean it up. It's gonna be beautiful. Oh, that would be a good spot for a little vase and a little flower. I found some clipboards. Oh, I didn't notice the markings on this one. Might be able to get that off. This one's even older. Oh, you know what? I thought this was brass, but I am realizing somebody just spray painted this gold. I got 2 books. Look at the pattern on this one. Very pretty. And this is a beautiful green leather Bible right here. This is going to go in my DIY stash. Don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it'll be there if something comes to my head. And this is going in my DIY stash as well because I like the small picture that would go here. I like this wood part because this would be easy to do a makeover. There's no ridges right here. Everything is flat. And I like the wood frame. Okay, I think we're on to the final thing that I found in that bin changeover. Y'all, it was so good. That was so exciting. These are from Pure One, and they are cabbage placemats. And y'all know Pure One does not exist anymore, and there's a bunch of them. So I just grabbed all of them. Can you see this with like a beautiful white plate in the center, or even pink green and pink for spring. Beautiful. So let me know if you think this was a good pickup. Would you have grabbed these if you saw them at the thrift store? Y'all, there ain't no way. I just finished giving y'all a haul and they are emptying that side again. While waiting for them to refill that wall, I'm going back and look through everything. I just found the final day. I'm keeping this. I am keeping this. Look at this precious little quail. I love them so much. He's going to be a great addition to my trinket tray. What should we name him? Murray just came to mind for some reason. Do y'all think he looks like a Murray? They just wrote out a new bin, and look, I got 1, 2, 3 vintage spools of thread. He is a candle, but he's so cute. I for sure needed this Santa, an old Atlas jar. I like to just fill these with things. And this little guy, he's not an older piece, but I'm pretty sure he's supposed to like hang on a pot like that. Isn't that adorable? I like this blanket. Look at the texture. I'm thinking for winter, you know, I still have my Christmas stuff out, but we're calling it winter, and I'm adding white and taking out all the red. I think this will look good in a basket underneath the tree with the little fringes hanging out. So I'm gonna get this piece for me. I just found this piece at the Goodwill Bins and I cannot figure out what it is. I thought it was a belt at first, but it's not. It's metal. Does it hang on the wall? Is it a Christmas tree? Which way does it go? Does anybody know what this is? Leave a comment below. Ooh, an unopened box. What's in here? So it has something written on it. So, bunt feet set of 4. We love bunt feet. They're not raw wood, but they are white. And these things are expensive, so I might need some bunt feet for a project. So I'm gonna get this. It's gonna be way cheaper at the Goodwill Bins than it will be online. There's a bunch of little figurines right here. These are kind of cute. It says made and occupied Japan. They're small. I actually think these would fit on trinket trays. I'm gonna get these. This little bunny is cute with the bow. Oh, it's a bell made in Sri Lanka. That's adorable. I think I'm gonna get this as well. I don't see any chips or anything on it. And we can never have enough cute little birds. This is actually a salt and pepper shaker set, but that's okay. I can just use this as decor. Here's a Santa. I love the look of him. He's on a stand. Oh yeah, I think he's supposed to dance or something, but I could probably just take him off the stand and use him as decor because I really like his face. I like his outfit. He's cute. He is coming home with me. Not all bin changes are equal. They got some Christmas stuff. They had lots of toys, lots of dishware, but the only thing that I found was this plate right here. It's really cute. It does have a marking, but Goodwill has a sticker over it, but I can see fine bone china, and this is going to be perfect for my whatnot plate wall sale. They brought out another bin while I was looking through the wall. What is this? I see something clear. Oh, this is somebody's DIY project. That's plastic cups. Here's somebody else's DIY project. Shotgun shell. Peg rack. This looks like a big nutcracker. It is, I think it's missing a top. Toys.
But you can't hardly get it cut off. What?
Man, I'm trying to leave, but I can't. They keep bringing out more bins. I did just find 2 things. Look at this cute little Tommy Bahama shirt. This will fit Ren. And I think this dress will fit me. I can't find a size on it, but I really like it. I got the smocked back. So I'll bring it home and try it on. I need to start wearing dresses because I feel like I've been getting a lot of dresses from here. And I got these fine tip markers. I'm just going to check them and make sure they actually work. I'll just check a few, and if they work, they're going to come home with me because you know, they're only fine tips for so long, and then they start to wear down. So we're gonna be excited about these. They've brought out a few bins since I talked to y'all last, but it's all been clothing. So I am going to run out of here before they bring out more stuff that I might need, because I have got to go. I did find some clothing. Oh, look how cute this is for Ren. This little crocheted top. So I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart full of stuff. Y'all leave a comment. Let me know what is your favorite piece I got today, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure.